Hello and welcome back to Carrie's channel. I'm now at Premier Inn Poole North and I'll give you a quick room tour and tour of the hotel facilities. There are two Premier Inns in Poole. Poole North has 155 rooms, limited free parking on site and a time restaurant. Reception is available 24 hours a day and you can get extra tea, coffee and towels from here if you need them. There are vending machines serving snacks and drinks. Most Premier Inn rooms have similar decor and layout. We've booked a family room. Ours has a king-size bed and a sofa that converts into a single bed. The bathroom has a bath with fixed shower head and they provide body wash and towels. If you're staying more than one night, you can put your used towels into the bath and they will be replaced for you. There's plenty of storage space and some hangers are provided. All rooms come with a TV and free basic Wi-Fi, but you can pay to upgrade to ultimate Wi-Fi. Tea and coffee are provided. There is a menu in the room so that you can look and see what you might like to eat before you go down to the restaurant. Breakfast is an all-you-can-eat buffet of continental pastries, fruit, cooked full English and drinks. The dinner menu changes seasonally and has a good selection of food and some meal deals. Okay, so we're just about to check out now. I do hope you've enjoyed the video. Carrie will put some links to her other Premier Inn videos down below and we'll see you again soon. Bye!